Oh, go on.
Hi, everybody.
What's up? What's up?
Welcome, one and all. Welcome to Daytime Live. Craig, it's a long time. You don't know host the show, you know.
That's true, man. You know where
About 10 months now.
I know where you hide from people them from, man. People them want to see you, Reggie.
Of course they want. How was your weekend, old brother?
It was good, man. It was good. I had fun. I stayed in for most of the weekend still, you know.
The rain. Some freak rain happened.
The rain kind of caused it.
Yes, I was in Mobe on some work, as always. But, you know, you get to stay in nice hotels.
Well, work off
But, work off for and the rain just come out of nowhere.
Yeah, but when I really vex for that still, you know, sometimes like indoor activity is good for you.
Well, people will love rain. Everybody will love rain. Just a few, everybody will love sun. I'm not lie, because whenever it rain and the ask for the sun and when the sun come out and start asking for the rain. But anyway, welcome to Daytime Live again. Remember, you can always connect with us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ_Daytime Live. Remember.
Yeah, well, Facebook is TVJ Daytime Live.
Oh, yes.
Instagram and Twitter is TVJ_Daytime Live. And if you want to be a part of the studio audience, just log on to televisionjamaica.com/Daytime Live and claim your free ticket. It's free.
And remember, you can catch back shows on onespotmedia.com. Let's get buzzing. Now, hundreds of people came out to bid farewell to former chairman of the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, Mr. Lester Spalding, on Saturday in an emotional Thanksgiving service held at the Webster Memorial United Church, right here in St. Andrew. Now, Spalding died November 17 after a period of illness, and he was 76. Quite a, I think that's a good age to live.
It's a good run. It's a good run still. I mean, 76, you know, still kind of young still, but he definitely.
I think 76 is good.
But they don't look like 76, though.
And that's the thing. No, of course, his colleague and radio personality Norma Brown Bell eulogized the former halfway tree primary Kingston College and College of Arts, Science and Technology student, and said he displayed good judgment, astute management, and strategic vision matched only by his consistent dedication to humanity. Quite a man.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's really cool when somebody has made such an impact on the community around him, but at the same time he did it from a point of well-being and the well-being of others. That's really awesome. So kudos definitely for that. Norma Brown Bell also added that Lester Spalding was a man of exceptional integrity and character who never sought rewards but put honor and ethical values before personal benefit in a lifelong service to Radio Jamaica, Jamaica, and the Caribbean as a whole, and all our people.
And you know, the good thing about, you see, as I mentioned earlier, I think one of the most important things when you die is a good legacy left behind. You know, people supposed to talk good things about you when you're dead. You know, it's supposed to be the celebration of that person. Some people make funeral a different thing, and that's a different discussion. But I just feel it's very important to have, you know, your name honored. Have these things created in memory of you, and just have. That's why you have to live good. You can't live life and have people and malice 100 people and all them things. You have to live and people talk good about you.
And you're never too young to start these things.
Yeah.
You know, definitely Mr. Spalding will be missed. Okay, so on Friday we forgot to show this clip, but in case you missed it, our Prime Minister, who is now known as Andrew Rivers, at last week's Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence, him get wicked, and we have a video.
Let us take.
No man, get one with them. Dislocate shoulder and beer things and fling and him and Cool Rivers. What the video?
We don't want a name. Low me no. Low me no. Just rock so. Low me no. Low me no. Low me no. Alright. Low me. Low me no. Alright, stop now.
Yeah.
Come here, so now cool. Can you win the award? When you send you to the road, you send them to the world. The one name Fling a Shoulder. Alright, see there the boss ready. The boss ready. Play back again now. Here we go.
Harry, if your shoulder now fling,
Get a dance all to represent. Man shoulder for your fling. Get a shoulder for your fling. Watch the Prime Minister now. Exactly know that's it. Get fling. Man shoulder for your fling. And pull up. Big respect, my boss. People, good night. Have a pleasant night.
Awesome.
That's literally me trying to fling my shoulder.
But
you know, it's cool when you see your leaders kind of doing normal stuff.
Yeah, man.
You know, it's supposed to not. I think that's what leadership is really about. You connect with people, and you're not supposed to, this shouldn't be a taboo or anything.
Yeah,
it
man.
should be something
It's not a stuff shirt thing.
Yeah.
You know, it shows that the man down to earth and the man cool, and we like see them thing there.
And congratulations to all the persons who were awarded. You know, it's good that I think it died on for a little while and now it's revived. Prime Minister's Youth Award. I remember the days. I was a nominee a long time. I may never get it. But I went on to greater things with up on TV, you know.
Yeah, you should have did it.
I should have win, yes. No, Nigerian Afrobeat star Wizkid said in a statement that he will not attend any more international award shows until they stop giving African artists awards backstage. He stated that if you are going to show us the same love you show to your people, you should basically show the same thing. And you're not going nowhere else go collect nothing unless they basically step that up.
Yeah, man, real thing. I agree with that. I mean, definitely, like, because I've noticed for a couple of years that them give the reggae artists and the reggae awards.
The Grammy.
Yeah, to backstage as well. I've never agreed with that. And I feel like right now, when so much attention is on Afrobeats and so much attention is on reggae and dancehall music internationally, you know, now is a good time to make a stand. Because sometimes you have to shake them up a little bit before them move.
And it's true, because I just don't understand why this is even still a discussion in terms of, you know, culture being intertwined with these international awards. And I think they've still not gotten to a point, even though you have persons like Wizkid speaking out against it, they still have not gotten to that point where it moves from a discourse to something literally happening. And that's why you're going to always have heavy support for stuff like BET. And if with BET, do you have this heavy support for it? And then you have some little fool people come out and say, oh, but BET only acknowledges that aspect. But it's a niche created from something being oppressed.
Basically, you know? that's what Wizkid was saying, that we have our own awards, we'll go.
Yeah. So basically, I must just channel 100% to that on the business, but nothing else. If that happened, though, you know, we'll probably be more prosperous. Just saying.
We see what happens.
Yes, buzzing.
Congratulations are in order, though, to Jasmine Fenletter Victorian and Carrie Russell, who placed 7th in their first World Cup bobsled competition. Another one in the books for Team Jamaica, you don't know.
Yes.
No, not forget about award for that, man.
Yes.
Snow on a fall out here,
you know, Jamaica, we're always in the spotlight for something.
Yeah, man, they don't rerun things around.
No matter how unusual it is. And I've been following up with rugby. On social media, they seem to be performing as well.
Yeah, man.
So, well as well. But it's a good look.
No, but even in the schools now, even lacrosse we're playing in the schools now.
Lacrosse.
We're step up the thing, man.
Even the Olympics are gone with the Yona, the diver.
Oh, yeah.
So we always, and the gymnast, we always have something,
something
going on.
As I said, we run things not around
me. No, R. Kelly. R. Kelly came home from tour to find his 2 homes in Atlanta empty. And I mean, this is the same house that the woman, remember we were talking about it? Yeah, remember we were talking about it because we were like, what the hell is this? The woman who he kept, the singer, the same house where him that keep them in are basically empty now. No, the singer surveyed the damage because, you know, you got a survey and posted a video on Instagram, the best place ever, ranting about the incident.
Yeah, them clean out the house still.
Yeah. This so literally nothing not there.
Me don't leave them curtain.
I see a book and I see me don't know what that. Well, them basically clean out the house.
I leave my table.
My thing is R. Kelly just me don't know what go on for the man life, but
crosses are following. We don't know. We need to go down a bath. We need to go to St. Thomas and get a wash off still. It has been reported, though, that Kelly's associate, Alfonso Walker, allegedly sold all of the singer's items. So
and a warrant is out for him on 2 counts of burglary.
Yeah.
Is it really burglary?
I don't know. Maybe he was prompted by one of the kept women.
The kept trainee.
Yeah.
But quite a mess, and I just feel, I don't know why when people usually are starting living them life, they have to just continue doing things, you know, just settle and make your money. Like, if you make money, you know, go all right and just keep to yourself and do what you do. You have, mix up and...
maybe I'm just bored, I don't know.
It must be.
Know.
But that's what's going on. No, Christmas shout out. You know, that's my favorite part. I don't remember half the names I'm supposed to, but daytime shout out to, I posted a photo with Yanisha and Depan said, about birthday. And I posted a picture one of my friends linked me and said, I need my shout out. So daytime shout out to Gary.
Big up. Daytime shout out to the staff at Express Fitness Mana Center. You don't know, big up.
Daytime shout out to the staff at Express Fitness Platinum.
Show for me.
Me just say.
It's not the place, it's the work what you're doing.
That's true, that's true.
Just make you lose.
You started the protein weights.
You started protein, that's
and
good.
daytime shout out to that young lady at KFC drive-thru tell me say me can't dance. Imagine, you know, me and Nishan put together a nice technique I will come through the door. And she go tell me something I can't dance.
No appreciation, eh?
You know? I don't remember her name though. But okay, it's Christmas giveaway time. But this time it's for our audience members.
Oh yes.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Freeness!
Woo. Now the question is, if you were listening carefully, you can answer and win a gift basket from High-Low Food Stores. Which part of the gift basket there? Where gift basket?
It's here, man.
Oh yeah, man. Come. The question is, name the type of music that African artist Wizkid does. What you say?
I can't hear you.
What she say? We not hear you loud. She said Afro. We don't have a microphone, but she said Afrobeats. Is that correct?
Who said? I was carrying on.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Hold on,
the microphone is too late. But she said Afrobeats. I wish you win.
Congrats.
You give me the corned beef?
Rice and peas can cook.
Where you give me? You give me the baked bean? Which? You can't talk now because you have the microphone.
It's on?
Yeah, yeah. Where you give me? You're not giving me nothing there?
No.
Okay, all
This
right.
is my prize.
Shall I tell you yes on camera, but you're not good. Make you know.
Well, that's how we have buzzing for now. Stay where you are because daytime chat, we have an exciting one that's coming up. We will be right back.